Okay, so to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it. After that, what you have to do is to search for the app. So when you search for this app, then you try to update it. So you tap on the update section over here to update it. After updating it, you are done. So after updating it, what you have to do is to first also go to settings. So launch to your settings, then now tap on apps and notification. After that, tap on the see all apps. Then when you get over here, you're going to see all your apps listed over here. So down, search for Signal. Then you tap on it. After that, what you have to do is to check the notifications. Make sure every notification is toggled on. When it's off, then you turn it on. And also check mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. So now turn on the background data. Then after that, you're done. Then you have to check the permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed over here. After checking the permissions, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. Then you collect the cache, then you go back, then you tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on restart to restart your device, and this is going to fix the problem successfully. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.